This is Holy Water in the Key of G by Ed Cash. As always, you can stop the video, click on the description below, and I do have the chord sheet that you can print out and follow along with me. All right, so I have just stripped this down to the absolute basics for you. We have a G chord, F chord, C chord. That's it. And there's a lot of patterns that I'm going to show you. Okay, so let's take a look at the chords. We have G, B, D makes up our G chord. Okay, move that same pattern in your hand down one note to an F chord. F, A, C. Okay, hold that same shape, jot up here to the C chord. C, E, G. And there's our C chord. Okay, so review. We have a G chord, F chord, C chord. All right, so let's take a look at the left hand. We're going to put thumb on C here, line up your 5 fingers, and then you don't have to move your hand this whole song. So we're just going to play single notes with our chord up here. Okay, G to G, F to F, C to C. Okay, the rhythm that we're going to do to bring the two hands together is really simple. We're just going to go together, right, together, right, together, right, together, right. Play that on the F chord. Together, right, and so on. Okay, and you can practice that on the C chord. And just get your hand into that nice marching rhythm, okay? Let's look at verse 1, and you're going to know what I mean when I add some vocals in here, okay? So we're starting on the G chord. I got 'em on my knees again. F. Got 'em begging please again. Move up to the C. I need you, oh, I need you. G a chord again. Walking down these desert roads. F, water for my thirsty soul. C, need you, oh, I need you. Okay, let's just break this down for a minute. Do you notice in verse 1, we have G, F, C, G, F, C. So our verses are going to have that same pattern, G, F, C, G, F, C. If you take a look at the chorus, it's the same thing. G, F, C, G, F, C, G, F, C, G. Okay, so really, if you just get used to that pattern of G, F, C, G, F, C, you've kind of taken a lot of the guesswork out for the whole song. When we jump into the bridge in a little bit, there's just a little bit of variance, but that's it. Okay, so let's look at the chorus. And if you know the original song, they kind of break up into this like, your forgiveness, and then they start clapping, or they go, it's like sweet, sweet honey on my lips, like the sound of a symphony to my ears, like holy water on my skin. And then you just end up that G there. So that's why in that chorus 1A, I didn't put any chords in there. But if you want to jump into chorus B, you'll notice that I put the chords back in there. So you can also play chorus 1B just like you want to play chorus 1A. If you don't want to have that a cappella, like that just vocals, you can play the chords from chorus 1B in 1A. Okay? All right, so let's just jump down to verse 2. It's the same thing as we're doing in verse 1, okay? Dead man walking, slave to sin, wanna know about being born again. I need you, oh God, I need you. G coming up. So take me to the riverside. F, take me under, baptize, I need you, oh God, I need you. Your forgiveness. That's when we can end on the G there. I mean, come back into the G when we're starting that chorus. Your forgiveness is like sweet, sweet honey on my lips, like the sound of a symphony to my ears, like holy water on my skin. Notice that last line I just did block chords, like holy water on my skin. Okay, let's look in the bridge there. I don't want to abuse your grace. I gotta need it every day. It's the only thing that ever really makes me want to change. So let's just take a look at that. We're just doing the pattern G, C, G, C. Bridge 1B is the same thing. G, C, G, C. Like I've said, I've stripped this down to the absolute basics for you guys. Okay, so let's do Bridge 1B. I don't wanna abuse your grace. See, I gotta need it every day. It's the only thing that never really makes me wanna change. And then you could just go back through that if you want, or loop back into the chorus. Your forgiveness is like sweet, sweet honey on my lips, like the sound of a symphony to my ears, like a holy water on my skin, like a holy water on my skin. This is that ending. It's like holy water. I'm going to play it beginning to end. You guys have a lot of fun with this one. I got him on my knees again. I got him begging, please again. I need you. Oh, I need you. Walking down these desert roads, water for my thirsty soul. I need you. Oh, I need you. Your forgiveness is like sweet, sweet honey on my lips, like the sound of a symphony to my ears. It's like holy water on my skin. G there. A dead man walking, slave to sin. Wanna know about being born again. I need you. Oh God, I need you. So take me to the riverside. Take me under, baptize. I need you. Oh God, I need you. Your forgiveness is like sweet, sweet honey on my lips, and like the sound of a symphony to my ears, and like a holy water on my skin. And I don't wanna abuse your grace. I gotta need it every day. It's the only thing that ever really makes me wanna change. And I don't wanna abuse your grace. I gotta need it every day. It's the only thing that ever really makes me wanna change. Your forgiveness is like sweet, sweet honey on my lips, like the sound of a symphony to my ears, like a holy water. Your forgiveness is like sweet, sweet honey on my lips, like the sound of a symphony to my ears, and like a holy water. Your forgiveness is like sweet, sweet honey on my lips, like the sound of a symphony to my ears, and like a holy water on my skin.